Alright, here we come to the elevator at the biology building at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina. This is not just a Kone EcoDisc elevator. Look what this is. Kone Delta. Made by innovation. Kone Delta. I haven't seen this in a while. There goes the brakes. Found one. These are made by innovation. I haven't seen Delta in so long, so I decided to film this video. Other than that, it's just a basic stainless steel cab. If it's got like innovation or something, I'm not even gonna bother riding.
I think this is the first one I know about in the Raleigh area too.
Definitely. I'm gonna ring the bell one more time. I wanna watch it light up. And it's green too, and this button is red. Almost like Christmas spirit. Alright, there it goes. And that's it.